Hello, Preston. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through a couple of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Pro Tech Doors homepage. I can see that some time or money has been spent into this site. I really like the tools and everything up here, and I think it looks very professional and clean. However, as I scroll through, I'm not seeing a lot of content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page, so I would suggest adding in some more content here. And you want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is garage doors Fresno. This keyword brings in over 200 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those clicks into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Beneath our search bar, we have Google Ads. Google Ads are a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good to take advantage of when there is a hot market or you want to promote a special event or offer that you have going on. And they're also a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath our ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. Now, in order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. So you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. Be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local iron company or welding company were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. I highly recommend it if you try to bring this in-house. It is a little bit pricey, but it gives me a lot of great information. So here I typed in the first competitor that popped up for that keyword. Here I can see that they have 6,600 backlinks from 871 referring domains, and they are ranking organically for 6,975 words. And so here I can take a closer look and see which keywords they're ranking for. And so you want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and try to incorporate the best ones into your content. Now I'm going to go back and do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so they have quite a few backlinks, but you don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. You need to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. And so you can go through all these different backlinks, click on the best ones, and try to have your website's URL added to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. Over here, I typed in the second competitor that popped up for that keyword, and I can see that they have fewer backlinks. They have 658 backlinks from 100 referring domains, and they are ranking organically for 67 keywords. So you can go through and do the same thing I just did with the first competitor to this competitor right here. And then over here, I pulled up your website. So right now, you guys don't have any backlinks from any referring domains. You are ranking organically for 4 keywords, so let's take a look and see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you're ranking for them. And so again, you want to be targeting buyer intent keywords that are location specific. Typically, location specific keywords have very high buyer's intent. And so here we can see all of your traffic comes from your own name. So if someone wasn't already looking for you in the first place, it would be harder for them to find you. And so right now you don't have any backlinks. So this is something that would need to be built over time. But right now we can see that you have 12 people finding you organically, but they are finding you organically through your own name. And so this first competitor who had, I believe it was, so this now it says they have 6,600 backlinks. They actually have 8,600 people finding them organically every single month. And so that would be something you could eventually build up to. But this competitor here would probably be the one that you'd want to target first. So they have 658 backlinks from 100 referring domains. This would be a lot easier to build up to quickly. So I would suggest going through their backlinks and their keywords and trying to target some of those so that you can find the more low difficult keywords to rank for. But if you take an idea right here, they have 94 people visiting their site every single month organically. And so if you were to factor in how much everything costs, garage doors I know are thousands of dollars every single job, and you have pretty high profit margins with that as well. So that gives you an idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it's ranking for the right keywords. And I think that you could get ranked if you incorporate the 3 things that I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan, which, to recap, number 1, you want more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, some citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want high-powered relevant backlinks. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.